Hello students, today we will study properties of multiplication. So first property is closure property. Closure closure property. This property states that if two numbers are multiplied and both the numbers are whole number, then the result will also be a whole number. Let the numbers be 3 into 7 equals to 21. 3 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number, so the result is 21. This is also a whole number. This is the first property, closure property. Next, number 2 property is commutative property. Commutative property. In this property, if here A into B is equals to B into A, means the result will be the same. If we multiply A into B, we will find the same result, that of B into A. Let us try with it example. Let A equal 3, B equal 4. 3 into 4, 12. Here B equal 4, A equal 3. 4 into 3, 12. So here we see the result is 12, and also here the result is 12. A into B equals to B into A. This is commutative property. Next, number 3 is associative property. Associative property. Here A into B into C equals to A into B into C. Associative property means we have to divide the multiplication in two parts with a bracket. Here A into B, we have to multiply A into B first, then the answer will be multiplied by C, and here B and C will be multiplied first, then the result will be multiplied by A, and the value is equal in both cases. Let's give an example. A equals to 2, B equals to 3, C equals to 4. Here also A equals to 2, B equals to 3, C equals to 4. Here so let us solve this. 2 into 3, 6 into 4. 6 into 4, 24. Here 2 into 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 2, 24. So left hand side equals to right hand side, means this property is true for multiplication. Next, number 4 property is distributive property. What is this distributive property? The name it calls it's distributive, so we have to distribute the numbers. A into B plus C, A into B plus C, so we have to distribute it, means we have to distribute A among B and C. Here multiplication, and in between the bracket B plus C, so A into B plus A into C. A is distributed between B and C. A into B, A into C. Let's solve it with an example. Here a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 4. Let us solve left hand side first. A into b plus c. Value of a is 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 3 plus 4, 7. 2 into 7, 14. Right hand side, a into b plus a into c. Value of a is 2. 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. 2 into 3, 6 plus 2 into 4, 8. 6 plus 8, 14. Here left hand side and right hand side are equal, so it is distributive property. We have two more properties here, that is property of 1 and number 6 property of 0. You know all everything about this property, means a into 1 equals a, means if we multiply any number with 1 we will get the answer as the number itself, like 3 into 1 equals 3, 2 into 1 equal 2, etc. And if we multiply any number with 0 we will get the answer as 0, like a into 0 equals 0. Example, 2 into 0 equals 0, 4 into 0 equals 0. Now that's all for today. We will continue later. Thank you.